How to get high ticket clients on LinkedIn. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get high ticket clients on LinkedIn. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get high ticket clients on LinkedIn, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Identify your ideal client profile. Define the characteristics of your ideal high ticket client, such as industry, company size, and budget. Step 2. Build a strong personal brand. Share valuable content and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Step 3. Create high quality content. Publish blog posts, white papers, and videos that demonstrate your expertise. Step 4. Leverage LinkedIn strategically. Connect with potential clients, share your content, and engage in industry discussions. Step 5. Network strategically. Attend industry events and connect with high ticket clients in person. Step 6. Offer free value first. Provide consultations or resources to showcase your expertise. Step 7. Showcase case studies and testimonials. Highlight successful projects to build credibility and trust. Step 8. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Ensure your profile is professional and clearly communicates your value proposition. Step 9. Develop a sales funnel. Guide potential clients through a structured process with lead magnets and personalized proposals. Step 10. Offer customized solutions. Tailor your services to address the unique needs of high ticket clients. Step 11. Provide exceptional customer service. Be responsive and proactive in meeting client needs. Step 12. Collaborate with partners. Work with complementary businesses to expand your reach and gain referrals. Step 13. Ask for referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others. Step 14. Be patient and persistent. Stay consistent and don't give up if results take time. So that's how you can get high ticket clients on LinkedIn. That's all for this video.